Hi everyone, my name is Parul. Welcome to my channel Parul English Lab. In today's video, I will talk about how to improve your English communication skills. So let's get started. What are communication skills? Communication skills are abilities which you can use when giving and receiving different kind of information. These skills allow you to understand and be understood by others. You can communicate with others vocally through verbal expressions, visually like maps and graphs, and non-verbally like your body language, eye contact, gestures, etc. All these means of communication are essential communication skills which are really imperative for a successful career. Most of the people think that good communication skills mean having good command on English language. However, it's not completely true. English is just an element of communication. Communication is not all about English. But in this video, I want to emphasize on English communication skills because having these skills is an essential need right now. English is a global language. If you have good English communication skills, then you can get good jobs, you can perform well in interviews, you can participate in group discussions, traveling becomes quite easier with a good knowledge of English, and English is one of the most important languages for business. And last but not the least, if you know English, then you can study and work all over the world. And that's why English is extremely important. And trust me, if you have good English communication skills, then nobody can stop you to excel. Good English communication skills are required in every field, be it advertising, media, entertainment, education, science and technology, etc. In today's fast-paced work environment, you cannot ignore these skills because it doesn't matter whether you are a journalist, a software developer, or an entrepreneur. You must know how to express or put forward your ideas among the people across the world. But unfortunately, many professionals and students overlook and fail to develop these skills. And if you don't have good English communication skills, then it can impact your career. Sometimes people can't grow in their career or get success despite being performers or having good knowledge about the job because they don't have good English communication skills. So by now, you all must have understood the importance of these skills. And let me tell you what are the ways through which we can develop or improve these skills. Fluency in English. This is the most important step to improve your English communication skills. I already have talked about the importance of English language. So your goal should be to achieve fluency in English. Now I'm not going to talk about it in detail because I already have made a video on this. If you have not watched it, then I will mention the link in description box. You can watch it. Fluency doesn't mean to speak faster. You should not speak too fast or too slow. You should maintain a pace. When you speak too slow, then your listeners might lose interest. And if you speak too fast, then they might find it difficult to understand. So that's why it's very important to maintain the pace. And this way, you can have a communication effectively. Next is count your filler words. Fillers are like, like. It's okay to use few fillers. We all use them. But overusing these fillers can make your communication less effective. So try to limit these fillers. And how you can do that? By counting them. Once you start counting them, then you yourself will understand whether you are using them a lot or not. And accordingly, you can limit them. Next is read. You need to read as much as possible because it will enable you to understand grammatical concepts, comprehension, vocabulary, sentence formation. It will also enhance your knowledge and will improve your pronunciation. You need to have good pronunciation to ensure that your message is conveyed or delivered properly and your audience understands you. And this way you can have an effective communication. Next is be a good listener. It is a crucial part of communication. Listening is as important as speaking because communication is all about sharing and receiving information. For example, if you are communicating with someone and that person finds that you are not paying attention to what he is speaking, then that communication is not going to last long. So please be a good listener. We always want to speak, but we don't want to listen. Now learn to listen. This way you can improve your communication. Next is, be open to take feedback. It is an important ingredient for effective communication. Whether it is a positive or a negative feedback, take it positively. Don't feel bad about negative feedbacks. Don't be defensive about them, because it will help you to find your strengths and weaknesses. And once you know your weaknesses, you can work on them. So this way, it will further help you to get rid of your weaknesses. So please be open to take feedbacks. Next is body language and eye contact. Sometimes when you are nervous or not confident or not interested, that affects your body language. For example, when you are in an interview or in a meeting and you are not sitting properly, continuously playing with your pen or fidgeting, so it shows that you are not interested and it affects your communication. So always be careful about it. Don't forget that your body sends signals through body language and eye contact. Eye contact is also very important. Not having an eye contact makes other person feel that you're not interested and it affects your communication. So be conscious about it, be careful about it, and always have good body language and eye contact and improve your communication. The last one is, respect your audience. If you want to improve your communication skills, then you need to respect the listener. And the best way to show your respect is by paying attention to what they say. That means you need to be a good listener. So these are the steps which will help you to improve your English communication skills. Please practice them, follow them, and this way you can easily improve your English communication skills. Keep learning. All the best and have a great day. Thank you for watching my videos. If you find them helpful, please like and share with your friends. Feel free to leave comments. Do subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to receive a notification for the new videos. Thank you, take care and have a great day.